Hello, this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. Today I'm going to talk about how I used Altcoin Alert to locate a productive trade in the Enjin coin, ENJ. And I'm also going to spend a little bit more time than usual talking about how I use resistance levels to determine an exit point. Let's go to the Altcoin Alert site. Okay, here we are on the Altcoin Alert site. And this is what one usually sees when logging in. The top 5 AA scores over here on the upper left. As you can see, ENJ has been a top coin today. It was yesterday too. Kind of kicking myself because I looked at this yesterday and chose not to take the trade, and I should have. But anyway, I got in today. And then I'm sorting based on trading activity. I'm looking for the coins that are moving the most according to Altcoin Alerts database and long-term sentiment, short-term sentiment, social activity, and trading activity. So these are all things I look at. And Enjin coin's number 2. I've traded this coin before. It's been a while, but as I indicated, I did look at it yesterday, and I saw it was moving still, 48%. Actually, I saved a screenshot from this morning. I'm recording this at 4:45 p.m. on Tuesday afternoon. Let's go to the screenshot. Okay, here we are on the ENJ screenshot from this morning. As you can see, I've got fire under trading activity, under social activity, very bullish. I'm looking for an AA score of neutral or above. I've got that with 50.1. I also want to bring your attention to this right here, and I'm going to make this a bit bigger. The upper range that Altcoin Alert is predicting is 11.5% in the next hour. The lower is 6.76. It's pretty volatile. 2.376, sort of in between there. So I don't need to profit in a day trade in an hour. It's nice if it works out that way, but I'm content to wait, all or part of the day for my trade. So I'm interested in this upper range, obviously. So I'm going to be looking at that option, or at least getting pretty close to it. So let's go to the ENJ chart. Okay, here we are on the ENJ chart. This is what I was looking at this morning. ENJ had set a recent high overnight, or in the early hours, 4 a.m. of 44 cents. And then it was working its way down from there. I see a few candles trending up here. Ideally, I would catch this in a 1, 2, 3 dip, but I've got a dip and several candles trending up. That indicates to me it's in an uptrend. And so I get in at this figure here, 0.35045 at 8:56 a.m. And now I've got to figure out, what do I want to, where am I getting out of this trade? So there are a few options. I could use the SMA line, which is this pink line here. That would give me about a 3% profit. That's not bad. Those of you just learning how to day trade, you may want to rely on the SMA line for that kind of thing. I did when I first started, so that's a really good indicator. And a lot of times coins have a hard time punching through that. But as I look through the recent past of ENJ, it's either above the SMA line or punching through it. So I don't think it's going to be much of a impediment for ENJ on its recovery. Another option here, I've put lines here, and this resistance that I see, there's multiple touches here on this first red line here, and 3 more here. I can probably go ahead and circle those. So I'm seeing touches there, more touches there, and even some right here. So I'm thinking this is a really solid resistance that I need to take into consideration for my exit point. There's another group of candles up here. There's just 3 of them, and then you can see it never gets back up to that level. So I think that's too risky And obviously the recent all-time high, I'm ruling that out. So this is the resistance I'm looking at. My exit point is slightly below. So that's what I set it for. The coin goes sideways, drops a bit, then makes a kind of a slow, protracted move up. And I'm out at 0.3825 at 2:42 p.m. Got a 9.037% profit. Takes about 6 hours. So 6-hour day trade is good stuff in my opinion. And the person who trained me used to call resistance levels cheat codes, that you can just look at these and figure out where the coin's going to return to. I'm not sure if it's quite that simple, but it's definitely something to take into consideration when choosing where to get out of a coin. People often ask, are you looking for a specific percentage? No, I don't. I didn't open this trade and look at it and say I have to have 9%, or I'm not taking the trade. I look at where the resistance is as far as my exit point, and the 9% just happened to work out based on the circle candles I just showed you. So that's all I have for today's trade of the day. Please stay tuned for some additional messages and check out the tools and resources in the comments below. I'll see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.